From green to clean, baby. Let's get to this bitch. We are soaping. Actually, what time is it? 2:04. Let's see how long it takes to actually do this house. It's going to be no big transformations on here because she is pretty clean. And I can't tell you, I would much rather wash a dirty house than a house that's already clean. For the simple reason, the people that own this house, or somebody that calls you out to wash a clean house, is a very picky person. So you got to be extra vigilant when it comes to cleaning it, because if you miss a spot, they are going to notice. A lot of dust on here, but not bad at all. Lots of dust, boy. In this colour, you do not want chlorine drying out on this. Oh, and I don't know if you remember, if you've watched a couple of videos back, my machine was revving up and down like crazy, and I thought it was a gas problem. I'll tell you how I fixed it in just a minute, once we get on to rinsing this, because I don't want it sitting too long. I will let you know what was wrong, so if you ever get the problem, you can fix it. Thank you. I don't know how I'm getting on with this gimbal. Right. I think I'm due for a new M5 twist. Hey, we're on rinse mode. And as I was saying, I need a new M5 twist because this is fraying like a good one. She's fraying pretty good, boy. Yeah, listen to that machine now. Running perfect. And if you go back a couple of videos, it was running like crap. Can't see with the sun right here. Yeah, it was running bad. I actually thought it was a fuel problem that was running that bad. But it turns out I can't see shit. It turns out it was what do you call them? Check valves. It's on the pump, a high pressure one. I took them all out, cleaned them all out, and there was a little tiny bit of plastic and debris stuck in it, and that's what was causing it to go wah-wah, 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 wah-wah. That's all it was. Now she's running like a beaut. As I was changing videos, I've left that on there a little bit longer than I'd like to. See how it's drying? Yeah, I don't want that on dark colors. So don't do what I do. Before I rinse that, I want to just hit it all and re-wet it. Because I had to run back to my truck, connect that gimbal, disconnect the gimbal. I got to get the hang of that gimbal. I got to figure that shit out. Now remember, we started at 204. This is a big house. Yeah, it turned out to be one of the check valves. Just a little bit of a blockage. Goes to show you. Little tiny piece of plastic can cause you all that problems. Wah, 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 wah. That's why it's good to check YouTube, because that's how I find out. Save me going in and getting my asshole ripped out from a service guy, and I didn't need it. Love the power of YouTube. Yeah, I hate washing clean houses. I'd rather them be filthy. I would rather them be absolutely filthy. It's more satisfying, and at least you've got a wow factor. I like to double and triple rinse these dark colours. I've had problems with these freaking dark colours once before. Learned my lesson pretty fast. Back on with the soap. Don't need a lot, don't need a lot. In the Have to get that siding fixed. Right, soap off, start rinsing. Rinsing. Beautiful. Beautiful, it is beautiful. Might have to indulge in a beer or two tonight. It is Saturday. And nobody can see with the sun in your eyes. Oh, I definitely need a new M5 twist. Hope you guys can see, but I can't. And I won't be getting paid on this job. So this job belongs to me. This house belongs to me. So no payment. No payment. I do my house twice a year. So she's always clean. I have to fix that that last big windstorm we had. That siding has popped out. We're rinsing this now. I've soaked it. I've got an open window up there. And a bathroom window open, and I didn't realise when I was soaping, so the wife's gonna wanna kill me, might never see me again. Might never see me again, guys. Might be the end of the Webster. Try not to get any in that window, not too much anyways. I'm not going in to close it, I can't be bothered. Anybody remember what time it was when we first started? Can anybody remember what time it was when we started? Tell me now or forever hold your peace. I can't even blame the wife because she didn't know I was washing the house. So I'll have to take the blame myself. Oh, this M5 twist is definitely praying its brains out. I can't spray too much up there with the friggin' open window. Anybody getting any guesses how long it's took? Remember, this is a big enough house. Oh, I'm out of gas. Come on, baby, rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse, 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 rinse. Done, 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 done. It was 2:04 when we started. See if we can actually see this thing. 2:32. That was with washing the little shed. There we go, peeps. Whole house washed in 32 minutes. I know it wasn't dirty, maybe 45 minutes. Normally, I'd say 45 minutes to an hour, but 32 minutes, baby. If you all like this sort of content, don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'm out.